Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be drawing uh another dinosaur because I usually love drawing dinosaurs. And today I'm going to be drawing the velociraptor. I'm going to start off with the head. And what's different about velociraptors is that they're kind of portrayed differently throughout the movies. I mean, the Jurassic Park movies. Because in real life, velociraptors actually have feathers, and they're usually smaller than you probably would have seen in the Jurassic Park, where there were just these ferocious pack hunters. But in actuality, there were these small feathered creatures. And they're the ancestors of birds and stuff. One, two, 12. Yeah. Maybe they'll draw their legs longer. Draw the legs longer. I guess they were predatory, but you probably will not see them if they existed today. They probably will not hunted humans and stuff like you see in the movies. I'm going to draw the feathers. Got the little birds in the background. We got a small correction right here. Yep, and that's the velociraptor. At least how I draw it. And falls out there have feathers and stuff, and they're the ancestors to birds, of all birds and stuff. And that's it. Oh, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like my drawings.